In this lecture, let's keep describe the workflow that Flink job submit to Hadoop yarn resource provider by per job deploy model. The per job model creates an exclusive runtime Flink cluster for each job. A cluster and a Flink job have the same lifecycle. So in other words, when the job finished, the per job cluster will finish too. As you can see, this a workflow diagram showing. Okay. A client submit a yarn application, such as a job graph or job package. The yarn resource manager applies for the first container. This container starts a process through the application master, which runs the Flink programs, namely the Flink resource manager and the job manager. The job manager of Flink apply for resources from the yarn resource manager through the Flink resource manager. A task manager is started after resources are allocated, as you can see. Actually, the task manager also running into yarn container process. After started, the task manager will register the resources with the Flink resource manager. And after registration, the Flink job manager allocates for or distributes the task to the task manager, as you can see at here. Okay. This is about how a Flink job submitted to a yarn resource provider by the per job deploy model. Okay. Actually, the Flink yarn application model are very similar with the per job model. The big difference is that the operations on the client side are responsibility of the job manager, such as the arguments parcel, the job graph compliance, and so on. So I will skip this application model workflow description. Okay, see you next lecture.